Hello friends, welcome back to the new lecture. I'm sure that most of you must be preparing hard for the upcoming GATE exam. Before we go ahead, it's a small request from me at the beginning that if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button at the end. Do share this video with your friends and please don't forget to subscribe the channel. Coming back to today's lecture, I'm going to tell you about the very important reading material or the study material which is available to all of you and it is totally free of cost, that is the NPTEL courses or the NPTEL lectures. If you remember that while discussing in the first lecture in which we have discussed the preparation strategy, the reading material and the reference books, I told you that apart from the available reference books, the NPTEL lectures or the NPTEL courses being conducted by IITs and IIScs are equally important for the GATE syllabus. So in today's lecture, I'm going to tell you about which are those important NPTEL lectures you should go through for the topics mentioned in the GATE architecture and planning syllabus. At the beginning, if you ask me why these NPTEL lectures are important for GATE exam, my answers will be, the first answer is most of the topics of GATE syllabus, they have been covered in these NPTEL lectures. The second and the other most important fact about this NPTEL lectures is these lectures have been prepared by the eminent professors of IITs and IIScs. Many of us must be aware about this fact that this year GATE 2022 is being conducted by IIT Kharagpur. So the question paper of, let's say, architecture and planning, the entire question paper or all the questions will not be framed or will not be prepared by only the professors of IIT Kharagpur. In general, the GATE question paper is framed by the professors of all the IITs and IIScs as well. So you will find that the third important fact about this lecture, that you will find that most of the previous year GATE questions, they are linked with this NPTEL lectures. We are going to discuss about in which section or for which NPTEL lecture the question have been asked in previous year question paper. The next important fact is these lectures will be helpful while preparing for GATE exam to identify the suitable or the best post-graduation program based on your area of interest. Let's say while preparing, you will go through the wide range of subjects which includes urban planning, urban design, housing, transportation planning, infrastructure management, etc. So while preparing and while going through these subjects, if you find your area of interest is in transportation planning, you can definitely select your post-graduation field in the transportation planning. So these NPTEL lectures will act as an orientation after cracking the GATE exam to select your best and suitable post-graduation program for your post-graduation. The last important fact about these NPTEL lectures is they are available online and they are totally free of cost. So many of us know that this GATE syllabus, it is widely scattered and each and every candidate cannot afford the huge coaching fees for this GATE exam. So according to me, HRD Department of Government of India, they recently launched this very good initiative or very good portal titled GATE portal for the NPTEL or the NPTEL lectures which have been hosted on this GATE portal, where you will find there is a link of the NPTEL lectures with the GATE question paper. Let's take a look of this GATE portal covering the NPTEL lectures. Search with GATE NPTEL. On this portal, you will find that there are three main tabs on the portal: GATE syllabus mapping, GATE question paper mapping, and the video solution. If you go and visit GATE syllabus mapping, right now you will find there are 5 disciplines which have been listed so far: computer, electronics and communications, civil, electrical and mechanical engineering. However, the architecture and planning discipline is not yet added on it. No worries. I am here to guide you and to deliver you the information related to our discipline. Also, it is my request through this video to the competent authorities who are managing that portal to add the information of architecture and planning discipline as well as at the earliest. So if you go and see in the first tab of civil engineering, you will find you have to select the subject in the GATE syllabus. So let's take an example. The common topics we have is transportation engineering as well as the geomatics engineering. So in transportation engineering, again there are subtopics related to transportation infrastructure, highway pavements and traffic engineering. If you go and see this transportation infrastructure, you will find there are the relevant topics for the architecture and planning syllabus as well. Let's take for this example, geometric design of highways, cross-sectional elements, side distances part 1 to 3, overtaking, intermediate and headlight side, stopping side. The questions related to these topics have been earlier asked in the GATE question paper of architecture and planning. So you will find that there are easily available references related to these topics on this portal. Horizontal alignment 1, 2 and 3 and 4. The question based on the summit curve and valley curve was recently asked in the GATE question paper of 2018 or 2019. Similar to that, you can find there is a link for the video lectures which have been provided here itself. If you go and select the other topics related to the environmental engineering, you will find the references of water and wastewater quality treatment, air pollution and municipal solid waste. They have been provided here. So the question related to the methods, various methods used for solid waste management, they have been covered here in this section. Similarly, if you go and select the main subjects as geomatics engineering, you will find here the references of the remote sensing and GIS which have been included here in this section. The question based on the scale, flying height have been asked earlier in this section. Again, you will find that there are references related to remote sensing and GIS in this section. So coming back to our subject topic, I'm going to take the help of our index page of our Architect's Guidebook for Competitive Exam Set 2 for explaining the topic-wise relevant in NPTEL lectures. You should refer apart from the other reference books. But at the very beginning, I would like to inform that if you are appearing for GATE 2022 and right now you are in the middle of your preparation, because we are doing this lecture in November. So you have hardly 2 months before the exam. So this will not be the suitable time, or this will not be the right time to go through this lecture in detail because of the available limited time. But if you are appearing for a GATE 2023-24, or let's say if you are a third year or fourth year students, then I would definitely recommend the candidates to go through these lectures at least once, so that you will understand how the lectures and the GATE questions are interlinked with each other as explained in the preparation strategy. So I'm going to inform you about the important NPTEL lectures or courses relevant to the topics mentioned in the GATE syllabus. Further, I will also inform under which discipline these lectures are available on the NPTEL platform, because if you go and visit the main NPTEL platform, you will not find all the topics in architecture and planning discipline only. The courses have been widely scattered. Let's say few courses have been covered in civil engineering, few courses have been covered in environmental engineering, few courses are covered in chemical engineering also. So I'm here to guide you to find out those relevant courses and where you will find those courses on the NPTEL platform. So let's start with the first part A, which is common to architecture and planning students. And in that, again, let's discuss the section 1, architecture, planning and design. So I would tell you in this lecture that which are the NPTEL lectures which are available relevant to the topics in this section 1. So the NPTEL lectures which are available right now on these topics, that is, first one is the architectural graphics and the computer application in architecture and planning. So which are these courses? I will show you on the portal itself. Search for NPTEL courses. This nptel.ac.in is the main portal which is hosting all the NPTEL courses altogether on a single platform. In that portal, if you go and click on NPTEL courses, you will find the list of courses under various discipline includes aerospace engineering, biotechnology, chemical, chemistry, biotechnology, civil engineering. If you go and select architecture and planning or architecture, you will find all the courses in this tab are listed together on this portal. For section 1, the important lecture relevant to the topics mentioned in the GATE syllabus is the engineering graphics and design. Which is covered under the discipline of mechanical engineering and conducted by IIT Delhi. In this particular course, you will find that the week 12 of this course includes the civil and architectural drawings. The question based on the perspective drawing 1 point, 2 point and 3 point perspective, the orthogonal views, axonometric views, isometric views have been asked earlier in the GATE question paper. So this week 12 lecture is important for the GATE syllabus. Similarly, the other lecture, which is the engineering drawing and graphics by IIT Kharagpur, is also equally important, which covers all the topics mentioned in the GATE syllabus of architecture and planning. In this particular lecture, all the lectures of all the weeks are equally important. So please go through all the lectures, because the question based on, let's say, these conic sections have been asked earlier in the GATE question. Then the question based on orthographic projection, axonometric projection, isometric projection have also been asked in the earlier year papers. The topics related to computer application in architecture and planning, these are covered in this lecture, lecture 53, and the week 9 and week 10 lectures. For section 2, the topics covered in the NPTEL lectures, the first topic, which is project management and techniques, CPM and PERT, it is thoroughly covered in 2 to 3 NPTEL lectures. Which are they? I will show you on the NPTEL platform. For this particular topic of project management techniques, CPM and PERT, the course under the discipline of civil engineering titled Principles of Construction Management, conducted by IIT Kanpur and conducted by the Professor Sudhir Misra, IIT Kanpur, is important course. All the weeks or all the lectures in this course are equally important for the GATE architecture and planning. The basics of CPM and PERT have also been included here. The crashing of network, crash path, critical path are covered in this section. The next important course for project management techniques in section 2 is under the discipline of management, titled Project Management, conducted by IIT Kanpur by Professor Raghunandan Sengupta. In this particular course, week 5 is the important one to understand the CPM and PERT concept in detail. Then another course for the same topic is project management for the project managers, again under the discipline of management, coordinated by IIT Roorkee by the Professor Mukesh Kumar Barua. In this lecture, Unit 8, 9 and 10 are important to understand the concepts related to CPM and PERT, the probability model network, slacks and floats. Generally, the example on the floats have been asked earlier in the GATE question. Then crashing of network, crash path, time and cost relationship, they have been covered in this unit 8, 9 and 10. So this unit 8, 9 and 10, as I said, are important for this topic of project management and technique in the section 2 of GATE architecture and planning syllabus. The next topic of section 2, which have been covered in NPTEL lectures, is form and structure. Which are the NPTEL courses? Let's take a look. The course is under the discipline of architecture. The title of the course is Structure, Form and Architecture, the Synergy, coordinated by IIT Roorkee and conducted by the Professor Shubhajit Sadukhan. In this particular course, all the units are equally important. You will find, if you go and read the earlier year GATE question paper, the information related to all the topics in this course have been asked earlier in the GATE question paper. The questions on tensile structure, load-bearing structure, temporary structure have been asked. Similarly, frame structure, arch structures, vault structure, dome structure and grid structures have also been asked. Similarly, for the unit 6, for all the topics, the question have been asked earlier in the GATE question paper. All the topics mentioned in all the units are equally important and which have been covered in previous year GATE question paper. The next topic which have been covered in the NPTEL lectures are 2.5 and 2.6, Principles and Design of Disaster Resistant Structures and Temporary Structures for Rehabilitation. Both these topics have been covered under a single course under the discipline of architecture. The name of the course is Disaster Recovery and Build Back Better, coordinated by IIT Roorkee and conducted by two professors from IIT Roorkee. In this particular course, all the units are important which covered principles and design of disaster resistant structures as well as the temporary structures for rehabilitation. The temporary shelter construction in India is covered under Unit 5. As well as how to reach disaster recovery and build back better in built environment education. All the units are equally important for these two topics.